Hello and welcome back. This is Safa. In this video, we will learn how to read images of different formats and display them in MATLAB. We will also see the difference between color images and grayscale images. MATLAB can read many image formats such as JPG, PNG, BMP, and GIF. Images can be color RGB or grayscale. Color images have three channels: red, green, and blue, while grayscale images have only one channel. To read an image, we use imread file name. To display it, we use imshow image, and to see its dimensions, we can use size image. Okay, let's go to MATLAB. Okay. First, we'll read a color image called papers.png using imread and imshow. Display the image in a window, and we add a title to indicate it's RGB. Then we convert it to grayscale using RGB to gray, and display it in a new figure, and finally size shows used to the RGB image has three channels, while grayscale has only one. Okay, run this code. RGB image and grayscale image. Okay. Always remember these key points when reading and displaying images. Using figure is helpful when you want to show multiple images in separated window. Okay, thanks for watching. This was the basics. In my full course, we go much deeper with a real world project.